Hi YouTubers, JDCap26 here for Just Do the Repair and Tips. And many of you have, as some of you have, suggested, why didn't you turn on the compressor and let us listen to how quiet it is? Well, we're just going to do that right now. And we'll just zoom in here and we turn this red flipper right here. And there's the sound of the compressor. And I'm talking the same as I am talking before. Very quiet. I really like this compressor, and I hope you pick one up. It's relatively priced out nicely within the price range. And let's turn it off. I put a male fitting on the end of my hose because that's how my hose is set up, and I did that for another reason. That's to get all the air out of any moisture out of the tank, and that helps me keep the tank nice and clean, so I don't have to really undo the ball valve on the bottom of it to drain it. Sometimes I do that. So that's the California Air Tools compressor and what it sounds like. I hope you have a nice day, and thanks for watching. Rate and subscribe.